Why? Why? We have a nice little painting bucket for sale for $25. This is the only picture, by the way. There's no description. The foot holding your tootsies. I'm scared. I don't like it. I don't like it. Next up, we have a duck hunter's casket for $6,000. Trust me, this one has plenty of photos as well as a video. The inside is camo, so that's good. I don't like it. I don't like it. Then they show the casket closed on display. So there's a little dog on top. I just literally can't. We need to watch the video because there are sound effects as well.